Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will learn about the SLO 4.2.3. This SLO we selected from the chapter number 4th, Cell and Tissue. The SLO is the compare plant and animal cell. That means we have to compare plant cell and animal cell. The compare is the command word of understanding level. So there is a cognitive with the understanding. In the compare, we trace the similarities and the difference between the two things. So there are two things, say two types of cell, plant cell and animal cell. So we trace the difference and similarities between these two cells. So plant cell, this is plant cell. This is plant cell and So the difference between animal cell and plant cell. In the plant cell, cell wall is present. There cell wall is absent. Cell wall present, cell wall absent. Plastid present, plastid absent. Lysosome present, lysosome absent. Centriole present, centriole absent. So these are some major difference between the plant cell and a animal cell. So similarities, these are similarities. Mitochondria, there is mitochondria. Endoplasmic reticulum, there is endoplasmic reticulum. Nucleus, there is nucleus. Mitochondria, there is mitochondria. Cell membrane, there is cell membrane. So these are the similarities. So this way, in this way, we compare plant cell and animal cell.